Wow. I hope it's not gonna be like this every day. There's the sea over there. I even wanna sit on the bed, but welcome guys, welcome everybody. So I am now in Koh Samui. I am dripping wet. Like, I'm so wet. Oh my god. Wow. So yeah, I'm now in Koh Samui. If you haven't watched my previous video to know where I was before I came here, I just arrived today. So please go watch the video. I'm gonna put it up there. I'm gonna put it in the description box. So yeah, so make sure that you watch my previous video. So I need to buy sneakers. I left my sneakers back home. So I need to buy sneakers, need an umbrella, but luckily there is an umbrella here, so that's good. And what else do I need? So yeah guys, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be exploring the area today because it's raining, but you never know me. I want to know what's around. Maybe later on I will, but I do need to eat, so I might just go out and eat, or I have to order in, but like it's flooding, so I cannot walk outside, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. Here in Koh Samui. First, talk about a vibe killer. Like guys, I came here for this, really, for this, seriously. Damn. With my dress that I bought in Krabi. Guys, I miss Krabi. It's so boring here. I know that I always say this, like every time I say, oh, it's so boring, and then it starts to get lit. But I don't know, like it's so boring, like I don't know what to do. Yeah, I just don't know what to do. I'm just chill. This place is too chill for me. I need vibes. Check out the views. I don't know what's the name of this hotel. It even has a bar. Check out the views. Admire the views. Nice. Ah, look what I found. Couscous. Wow. I've been looking for this. Like literally there's nobody on the street. Damn. Maybe where I'm going there's more. I don't know. Oh my god, he just waved. Even Hooters. Dead town, dead street. It's literally no action happening. So beautiful. Beautiful. Synergy Samui.